She was a building friend. We both lived in the same building. And at first you're in shock when I heard about this. I watched the policeman go up and the doorman told me, and I can't imagine anybody having one bad word to say about Kate.
I'm a customer, and I've been a customer for her for forever, her beautiful clothes. But I was just in London, and in the stores, in Harris, they have her pocketbook, her clothes, her dresses, and everywhere you go in Paris, in Madrid, she's famous. She's famous. It's so sad. She's only 55, and this is just terrible.